Jordan Mott.
And I'm Eddie O'Broy.
We're thrilled to be here with you today at our newest listing, 4011 Via Vista in the heart of Palo Alto. This beautiful single-story home features 3 beds, 2 baths, over 1,400 square feet of living space, and is highlighted by soaring ceilings and plentiful amounts of natural light flowing throughout. Eddie, tell us a little bit about the location.
Jordan, you're so right. You know, we're so blessed to be living in the Silicon Valley, and there's so many beautiful places. However, Palo Alto still happens to be the heart of Silicon Valley. And this is such a great property, and I can't wait to show you this property. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 4011 Villa Vista, a beautiful single-story home situated on a quiet cul-de-sac in the highly desirable Villa de las Plazas Barron Park community. This home features 3 beds, 2 baths, approximately 1,451 square feet of living space, and a wonderful open floor plan. As you walk through the front door, you are greeted with soaring ceilings and an abundance of natural light. The spacious living room flows directly into the dining area, with both spaces highlighted by a double-sided fireplace. The kitchen has been completely remodeled with newer cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops with bar seating, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or evening beverages. The spacious primary bedroom features an ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet, and sliding doors leading directly into your backyard oasis. 2 additional bedrooms, one of which could be perfect for a home office. Additional highlights include new interior paint throughout, new HVAC system, an attached 2-car garage with new epoxy flooring, and an inside laundry room. With 2 private patio areas and a large backyard, this home is perfect for entertaining and cherishing summer evenings. The community features a resort-style swimming pool with jacuzzi and lounging areas. A fantastic location close to Stanford University, outstanding Palo Alto schools, downtown Palo Alto, shopping and restaurants, commuter routes, and high-tech companies. You do not want to miss the opportunity to make this house your home.
Thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a great opportunity. And if you have any questions, that's what we're here for.
Yeah, and if you'd like to set up a private showing of this home, please don't hesitate to reach out to Eddie or myself. We're here as a resource for you. Catch you on the next one.
See you guys.